Welcome to MarineMax Westbrook. We're aboard the Sailfish 245 dual console today. Starting at the bow, this boat comes with a windlass. You also have deep, comfortable seating and storage under each side. It will conveniently store your bow cover, which is included in this package. As we come forward and we walk through the windshield, the hardtop does come with the weather curtains. It's a three-piece set. There's storage just ahead of the helm, so the dedicated storage for the bow table is located there. At the helm, you have an adjustable steering wheel, ample amount of space for whatever kind of electronics you would like there. You also have windlass controls for your anchor right here, as well as your trim tab controls. The head is located on the port side. You'll find that it is deep and spacious. This particular model comes with a vacuum flush head. The seat on the port side is convertible with storage forward and storage aft. And the aft storage comes with an igloo cooler. This particular boat has 3 drop-down seats in the cockpit. You will also find that these seats are easy to maneuver when you want to be fishing, and these cockpits are the deepest in this class. Your live well is at the stern, and if you're having a day with the family and you're more interested in water sports, you've got your retractable ski tow bar. When you're ready to be done with that and go back to fishing, you simply drop it down, it's out of the way. There is also a freshwater washdown also here at the stern. This boat is powered by the Yamaha 300 horsepower XCA with the digital controls. So if you're interested, come on down to MarineMax in Westbrook, 627 Boston Post Road. Our number is 860-399-5581, and you can come on board and check her out. Thank you for watching.